This is very essential for our face, especially we have history of hyperpigmentation and melasma. At the same time, we have acne, we have pimples, and basta guys, lahat ng infirmities for our facial skin. This is the product that I ordered in TikTok, but my beautician advised me choose this SPF 50 PA plus, so 4 plus, because this one is very helpful for fast recovery of your melasma and pigmentation. And to be honest guys, this is very helpful for my melasma, because I spent a lot of money before. Then when I found out that this one is PF 50 plus PA plus is very helpful, so ito na yung i-maintain ko guys, dahil ang testimony nila is very kuan kanang confirm, nakakatulong talaga guys. Basta yun na yun, nagkandautal na ako sa kaka-English, sa kaka-explain, but all in all, this one is very helpful. Try nyo to for anti-aging, for have moisturizer, fully moisturized face. Ito na guys, bili na kayo sa TikTok. Hindi pa siya umabot ng 100 ringgit. Ewan ko kung magkano to sa Pilipinas. Basta, ayoko nang mag-convert. All I could say is, bilhin mo yung gusto mong bilhin para sa skincare mo. So, yun lang guys. Have a blessed day and stay hydrated and stay beautiful. God bless. Bye.